Hi, I'm Reddy Parker, and I'm the law enforcement instructor here at Valley Vista High School. And let me be the first to welcome you here to my classroom. Now, the law enforcement program is designed to be a 3-year program where you learn a lot of different things about the police world. Now, in addition to preparing you for a police career, you could potentially use these experiences for, say, a career in the military, a corrections officer, or private security. Now, if we're talking about the academics that we do in the classroom around here, we're going to look at a lot of the police theory, the police history, as well as crime scene investigation. We're going to look at the laws, both on the federal and the state and local level, as well as how the court system works. And that's just a taste of some of the academics. Now we're going to talk about the hands-on in our lab over here, so please follow me. Okay, I love the hands-on. To me, this is what really is the essence of the program for me. I love teaching actual hands-on skills. We have a little mock-up crime scene right here. We've got a victim and some evidence markers. We got a fingerprint kit over here. You know, it's fun for the kids to get in here and learn how to do prints. They always have a good time. They're printing each other. Got some crime scene tape that we will use a lot of times on our crime scenes to string around, give them that real good feel of, hey, I'm in a crime scene and this is how we're gonna do things. You got some simulated props that we use here, weapons on our hands-on scenarios. But over here, there's a piece of equipment that I really love. And this is something that kids will get down and dirty with. It's dusting for prints. So when you come in and you dust a scene for prints, you use a lot of this type of equipment. We've got several kits, love them. Gives the kids a really good hands-on feel for what we do here. Now we got some simulated equipment up here. We've got flashlight, radio, a handgun. We got a knife. We've got gun belts over here. These are duty belts, just like you'd wear out in the job potentially. You've got handcuffs in there and taser, your sidearm, as well as maybe a flashlight sometimes too. It just depends on what the kids like to put on their belt. Now over here, we do a ton of PT in this program, and that's physical condition, physical training. One of my favorites here is we got striking bags. We'll use this for baton striking, baton training, as well as all kinds of different strikes, punching, kicking, knees. And then of course, a great conditioning tool is the heavy bags that we have in here, the striking bags. They're pretty good for kicks and punches. Love that. But now I know I said the dusting kits were one of my favorites, but this is where I really have a great time. And this is when I throw all the mats down and we do defensive tactics. We learn handcuffing skills, we learn ground defense, multiple assailants. To me, this is probably my most enjoyable. But I am very grateful that you spent this time with me. And if you want any more information, please reach out through your high school counselor or the Dysart webpage. And that's a wealth of information to tell you more about the program. Thank you very much, and you have a good day.